Welcome students. The next chapter is second chapter, multiplication and divisions of fractions. Topics to be covered. The first one is multiplication of fractions. Under this, fraction multiplied by whole numbers, fraction multiplied by fractions, multiplication of mixed numbers. Next one is reciprocal of fractions. And the next one is division of fractions. Next one is division and multiplication of fractions, and the last one is applications of fractions. In the earlier classes, you have learned how to add and subtract fractions. Here we will see how to multiply and division fractions. Okay. Next, first one is multiplications of fractions. Under this, fraction multiplied by whole numbers. To multiply of a fraction by a whole numbers, the first one is cancel out the common factors between the numerator and the denominator. Second one is multiply the remaining numerator and the whole number. Reduce the product to its simplest form if required. For example, 2 by 7 into 3. Solution is equal to 2 by 7 into 3. You can multiply 2 into 3. What's the value? Multiply 2 3s are 6. The denominator is same 7. Here this is the rational number. 3 is the whole number. The next sum is 7 by 8 into 6. Solution 7 by 8 into 6. Here using the cancel out the common factor. The common factor is 2. You can cancel out. This is 4 times. This is 3 times. Now you can multiply these two. 7 3s are 21 divided by 4. The denominator is 4. Now you can reduce this values. So you can divide 21 by 4. In 4 tables, 5 times 20. The remainder is 1. So you can write in mixed fractions. 5 1 by 4. This is the answer. The next one is fraction as an operation. When a fraction is used with the word of, it acts as an operator, and we say that the fraction operates on the quantity. It can cause a quantity to increase or decrease. For example, 2 by 3 of 12. Write the solution. Here of means 2 by 3. Of means multiplication. Multiply 12. Okay. First using the cancel out. This is 1 times, 4 times, 2. Next you can multiply 2 and 4. 4 2s are 8. Denominator is 1. The answer is 8. The next example is 1 by 4 of 60. Solution 1 by 4 of means multiplication into 60. First you convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 4 into 60. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4 into 60. Now you can use the cancel out method. 1 times. This is 15 times. The second one is multiplication. Multiply 5 into 15. 75 by 1. The answer is 75. Next one is fraction multiplied by a fraction. To multiply a fraction by a fraction, first one is cancel out the common factors between the numerators and the denominators. Next one is multiply the remaining numerator and the remaining denominator. Next example, 7 by 15 into 10 by 11. Solution, these two numbers are fraction numbers, is equal to 7 by 15 into 10 by 11. First, using the cancel out, here common factors, here common factor is 5, this is 3 times, this is 2 times. Now the second step is multiply. 7 2s are 14, multiply numerator and then multiply denominator. 3 into 11, 33. You must multiply the numerator value to numerator value, denominator value to denominator value. Next one is multiplication of mixed numbers. To multiply mixed numbers, first one is convert them into improper fraction. Second one is multiply, same as the above function. Example, 4 2 by 3 into 9 by 7. Solution, 4 2 by 3 into 9 by 7. You can convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. 3 into 4 plus 2 divided by 3 into 9 by 7. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3 into 9 by 7. Here using the cancel out method, 3 3s are 9. Here 3 is 1 times. 7 tables, 14 is 2 times. You can multiply this 2 and 3. The answer is 6 by 1 is equal to 6.